You have been wasting banana peels. Try this instead. If you are growing tomatoes this summer, there is one simple trick that can make a huge difference. It is easy, it is free, and you already have what you need at home. Just one banana in the ground can completely change how your tomatoes grow, and you are about to see how. This method is all about giving your tomato plants a natural boost using bananas, no chemicals, no store-bought soil mix, just one banana in the planting hole. Bananas are packed with nutrients that help tomatoes grow bigger, faster, and healthier. Stick around, because once you see what happens underground, you will want to try this right away. I used this one trick and grew tomatoes as big as my hand. No special tools. No hard work, just a banana under each plant. It works better than any store fertilizer I have tried, and it costs nothing. Tomatoes need potassium to grow strong and make big fruit. Potassium helps plants build thick stems, stay healthy, and produce better harvests. When they do not get enough, they grow slowly and produce fewer tomatoes. Bananas are loaded with potassium, and when you plant one under your tomato seedling, it feeds the plant slowly over time, right when the roots need it most. Think of it like giving your plant a steady supply of power during the hottest part of the season. Many gardeners throw banana peels in the trash or compost, but those peels are one of the best natural fertilizers you can use. Some people rely on strong chemical fertilizers, but those can be too much for young plants. This method is easy, free, and much gentler on your soil. Just use what nature already made, no need to buy anything extra. Wait until you see how big my tomatoes got all from one banana. I was shocked by how fast they grew and how full each plant became. This one change made the biggest difference in my garden all summer. Here is how you do it. Step 1, dig your planting hole deeper than usual, around 6 to 8 inches. Step 2, drop in one whole banana or just the peel. Step 3, cover it with a bit of soil so the roots do not touch the banana directly. Step 4, plant your tomato seedling, press the soil gently, and water well. That is it. You are not blending, soaking, or waiting, just planting smart from the start. The banana breaks down slowly and gives your plant nutrients over time, right where it needs them. After just a few weeks, you will notice stronger stems, deeper color, and faster growth. Your tomatoes will come in bigger, fuller, and more flavorful. In about 3 weeks, my plants nearly doubled in size. I have been gardening for years and nothing has been this easy or this effective. I could not believe the results. If you have never tried this before, now is your chance. You do not need to spend anything. You already have everything in your kitchen. Just dig, drop in a banana, and plant. That is it. Simple steps, real results, and your tomatoes will thank you for it. That is all it takes to grow tomatoes like a pro. No sprays, no fancy tools. And if you think this was smart, wait until you see what rice water can do for your garden. You will want to try that next. So hit that subscribe button and keep growing with us.